My name is Dan Foss. I'm with ABT Plumbing, Electric, Heat, and Air. I'm the head of the drain division out here, and I wanted to show you a few things to help save you money and keep us from having to come out for some of the small jobs that you can probably just take care of yourself. So with that being said, I want to introduce you to a great tool here. It's called the hair snake. It's something you could buy at most hardware stores and Home Depot, any place like that. You can find these, and they're real easy. So we'll just open it up here, and I'll show you how to use it. So we have a shower drain here that has been backing up over time according to the customers. And so what I did is ahead of time, I took a screwdriver and I took the screws out. You can do this if you can. If you can't, sometimes they're locked in, they're pretty tight and they can't come out. You can try to do this through the gaps in the drain. But if possible, it's always best to remove the drain cover. And as you can see here, we've got a bit of a mess. So we're going to see if we can't tackle this with this great tool we just picked up. So we come down in and we get in there and we kind of use it kind of like a saw to some extent and try to grab things, and oh my gosh, there is a lot of stuff in here. You can see the end of this thing has little hooks on it, and it helps grab hair and any other problems that are going on with this drain. And we can use it to help get things opened up, help get that stuff out of the drain so we can test it and make sure that there's no other issues. But all these issues are actually, right near the top of the drain, as you can see here.